Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something almost everyone has felt, the fear of missing out, or FOMO. That anxious feeling when you scroll social media, see friends hanging out, or hear about an event you're not part of. Why does it hit so hard? Your brain has a secret behind it. Imagine this: you see a story about your friends at a party. Instantly, your heart rate rises, your stomach twists, and you feel a twinge of panic. That's your amygdala, your brain's alarm system, lighting up. Even though no real danger exists, your brain treats social exclusion as a threat. Humans evolved to rely on community, so being left out triggers fear. Here's the twist: FOMO also activates your dopamine system. The same reward circuit that responds to food, money, or addictive apps. Every notification, like, or update acts like a small reward. Your brain starts craving it, looping you back into checking again and again. That's why scrolling feels addictive. It literally rewires your brain to chase social signals. Even your prefrontal cortex, the part that makes rational decisions, struggles to override this. It's why you know you shouldn't scroll endlessly, but can't stop. Your brain is balancing fear and reward, and fear is winning. And here's the kicker: FOMO isn't just mental, it's physical. Heart races, palms sweat, and stress hormones like cortisol spike. Your body reacts as if missing out is a real survival threat. That's why it feels urgent, even though it's just a notification. But there's hope. Awareness can calm your brain. Mindfulness, limiting screen time, and focusing on real-life moments help regulate the amygdala and reward systems. You can train your brain to enjoy presence over panic, so next time FOMO hits, remember, your brain is reacting to an ancient survival signal, hijacked by modern social media. That anxious pull isn't weakness, it's biology. Recognizing it gives you the power to step back, breathe, and reclaim control. If this video helped you understand the hidden brain science behind FOMO, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. When was the last time FOMO hit you hard? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, your brain is wired for connection, but you can decide what's worth your attention.